the jobs were cancelled, Supreme Court stayed it. Maybe the same thing happens in Supreme Court with this also.
Padmaja, first and foremost, whether I was gloating or whether I will continue to gloat today, that's not the moot point of the debate. I want to focus on hard facts. I will not allow the TMC or Riju to digress from the important issue, because I always see BJP jab bolne lagti hai, rather than discussing the topic, we end up responding to some reckless and baseless allegations by the opposition. Abhi dhyan se suno. Pehli baat to ye, I'm so happy that the Calcutta High Court has done away with the reservations given to Muslims blanketly by the Mamata Banerjee dispensation since 2011. This was ultra virus of the Supreme Court judgment dating back to 1992, when Supreme Court categorically said that reservation cannot be given on the grounds of religion. First point. Second point, since you say, 26,000 job cancellation ka order High Court mein diya tha, Supreme Court has put a stay on this. So Riju Datta, it is the same Supreme Court which refused to grant bail to Partha Chatterjee, though your Mamata Banerjee went knocking on the doors of the Supreme Court. This is the same Supreme Court which refused to give a bail to Anubrata Mandal, the close confidant of Mamata Banerjee, though she knocked on the doors of the Supreme Court. And this is the same Supreme Court which refused to quash the investigation against Abhishek Banerjee in the coal scam. इसलिए Supreme Court को selectively quote मत करो. And last but not the least, do you remember the date? 20th June 2023. I have a great memory. What did the two-judge bench of Justice Manoj Mishra and Justice B.V. Nagaratna say? They castigated and condemned Mamata Banerjee, saying, quote, the license to hold elections is not a license for violence. If you cannot maintain law and order, let us know. We will find alternative means, unquote. So Supreme Court has condemned Mamata Banerjee on many occasions. इसलिए यहाँ बैठकर ज़्यादा उछलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But in 30 seconds, I've been listening patiently. Let me tell you that Mamata Banerjee has been mollycoddling the Muslim community, disrespecting various Supreme Court verdicts. We are not against Muslimans. We are against reservation being given, not because a Musliman is a backward caste, member, but because he's a Musliman. We are not against reservation being given to Hindus, but we will, be up against it if reservation is given to a Hindu simply because he's a Hindu. He has to be given a reservation because he or she belongs to the backward community. A Christian has to be given reservation because he or she belongs to the Dalit or Adivasi community, not because he's a Christian. That is the funda. And last but not the least, Riju Datta, ऐसा कैसे हो गया that there are about 3.1 crore Muslims out of the 10 crore population in Kolkata, and your Mamata Didi goes to the Calcutta High Court and says, सारे के सारे 3.25 crore Muslims are backward caste. This is the same thing that Siddaramaiah has done. He has gone to Supreme Court saying that all the 91 lakh Muslims in Karnataka are backward out of a population of 7 crores. I mean, are you kidding me?
Respond. Riju Datta, again let me underline that data.